Get ready with me for Eid with Amrij. The Selfie Ready Liquid Foundation is lightweight but full coverage. It glides on smoothly and it's sweat proof. The Selfie Ready Compact Face Powder is so natural looking, it gives a radiant glow and flawless finish. Very photo friendly. I just love the Contour Me Now shades. I'm going to be using these two on my face and then on my eyes to give some depth and for my crease. Oh my god, I'm seriously in love with this blush on. It's highly pigmented. The color payoff is remarkable. This is going to last me a lifetime. Literally, ye khatam hone wala nahi hai. Let me tell you something, their Divine mascara really is divine. I was shook because I wasn't expecting such luscious lashes. Extremely pigmented eyeshadow, crease-proof, silky and lots of shades. The gel eyeliner is thicker than liquid liner, so it's less likely to smudge. Perfect for a sharp wing. Let's do lashes. Full glam 3D layered effect. Okay, this lipstick is just love. Creamy formula glides on so smoothly, matte finish, super long lasting and such gorgeous shades. So I'm in love with my Amrij Eid look. What about you? Let me know in the comments.